Hey, black men, black women, black people, all of you. I have missed you so much.
We are tired. We're tired. You know about that, like, peace that surpasses all understanding that was in the Bible? Yeah. Leave us alone. We're fatigued. Thank you.
Y'all, the shift has finally hit the fan. People are waking up and realizing that something is missing. The shift has finally hit the fan. People are waking up and realizing that something is missing. Something that is necessary. Something that is needed. A little bit of almond joy, a little bit of nougat crunch, a Hershey's bar, Reese's cup. They're realizing that they need chocolate. So the ones that have distanced themselves from us, they're waking up and realizing, hold on, that we've always been the magic, the black magic, y'all. What the helly? The veil is really lifting, y'all.
I miss black people. I know that sounds crazy, but I am from Georgia and I used to go to HBCU and the majority of my friends were black, and I live in a small town in California and I miss black people. There's not very many here and I hate it. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my job, I love my friends here, but I miss black people. Don't come for me. I miss the culture, I miss the vibe, I miss the confidence, the jokes, the food. I miss black people. Something's missing in my life and I've come to the conclusion that that's what it is.
I need some black joy. The fact that black joy even exists as a concept in the world is miraculous to me. Asians are no good at joy. We are good at working hard and being diligent and doing our best, but not joy. Colonizers too. Rich lives, no joy. We should never have hooked our stars to theirs. But black people, especially black Americans, are the best at joy. You've turned it into an art form. I know it came from terrible hardship that you've turned into soul and then into joy. And we Chinese people, we just turn that hardship into more hard work. But I know you can't give it to us. We have to go out and earn it for ourselves just like you did.
What do you mean by that?
Where I'm from in Pennsylvania, it's mainly Dominicans and Puerto Ricans and the Spanish community, and bless their souls, are great people. They brought great culture and all that. But they always would mess up my beard. The first thing they would do is they would hack it off. I don't like my beard to be short, and they would always end up making it short on me no matter what I told them. And it would always be a language barrier too. And then because of the way my beard grows, I would try to explain to them that you can't make it even, you have to make it look even because of the way that it grows, and they would never do that. And then today I decided to give another barber a chance. After years, I came to a black-owned barber shop. And I'm just saying, I think I found a barber.
See, this is exactly what we tried to tell y'all for the past 400 years, but nobody didn't want to hear us. You know what I'm saying? What did y'all do? Y'all hid our history. Y'all lied to us. Y'all manipulated us. Did some crazy things to us. For the past 400 years, we tried to tell y'all. We tried to show y'all how to live in harmony with nature, how to live in harmony with us. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to work in order to earn a living in this system. That's not how nature works. But y'all didn't want to listen to us. Then you guys took our spirituality, you turned it to religion, you made it evil so we wouldn't be able to use it and wake up out of this spell that majority of our people are locked in currently. But now the shift has literally hit the fan. Our brothers and our sisters are waking up, and now this is the collapse of this three-dimensional system because we don't want to play this game anymore. This is what actually brings me black joy. So yes, y'all, my brothers and sisters, the shift is here, but I want you to realize everywhere you go, I want you to know that you are someone's almond joy, okay? The shift is here. Everybody's going through it. They see it. They feel it. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let's continue to get it. Peace in.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
we don't care.
So there's this trend going around right now of people saying
that they've had almost an entire year. Baby, when I tell you they didn't last a full year without black people. They didn't last a full year. The trend that's going around right now is how much they miss black people. Swear to God. It's people of two prominent races, because really our Theos and our Theas, they never really left. They never that's kind of our thing. We do be throwing hands with each other sometimes. But when it's all said and done, we will sit down and just have a carne asada. We will. And all of a sudden, they all coming back and saying, I miss black people. I miss black people joy. I miss the love they bring. I miss the joy. I miss the vibes. I miss the good time. Listen. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill. This the most motherfucking peace we have had in so long.
What is this new trend? I miss black people. How you gonna miss something that you're always around? That's number one. So clearly, just by you saying that, you're not around us. No, what you miss is sucking us dry, taking our energy. That's what you miss. Let's make that clear. Okay? Oh, black joy. Yeah, we got a lot of that. And we also get irritated too real quick with y'all nonsense. Yeah. We're relaxing. We're resting. Leave us the fuck alone. Okay? Leave us alone. Some I miss you. Sounded like some dude that I ain't seen I don't know how long. And here he come out of nowhere. Oh, I miss you. You don't miss shit about me. You don't miss nothing about me. You just trying to see where you can get in at.
So yesterday, I was scrolling TikTok and I came across a video of this lady, and she was talking about how she moved away for her job, and where she had to move to, there was no black people. And she was talking about how she missed the black people. And I understood exactly what she said. I watched the whole video. I understood everything she said. Because whenever I moved to Lawrenceburg, I missed black people. I missed them so bad that I came back home. I was up there for like 2 years because I had moved up there to help my sister at her job. And I could not wait to come home. There were black people there, but it was few. And like you only seen them in passing. I don't know, maybe if I had lived there longer before that, I could have met more black people and been around. But living where I lived, I was ready to come home. And when I have these conversations with people, like trying to tell them about why I am the way I am, because I've had people tell me, oh, you want to be black? Why would I want to be black? I see what black people go through. I've been around black people when they've been racially profiled. I've been around black people when they get side-eyed for doing absolutely nothing. I've been side-eyed for doing absolutely nothing before because I was with black people. So why would I want to be black? And now don't get me wrong, I will stand next to a black person with them while they go through every bit of that and go through it with them in a heartbeat. I'm not saying that to say, oh, I could never be that, because I will go through it with them effortlessly. But as far as, oh, you just a white girl, you want to be black, it's not that at all. But I will say, my 38 years of living, I would much rather be part of a black household than a white household. When it comes to the family dynamic, way different. Way, way different. You walk into a black household, you can feel they love different. Their vibe is different. Their energy is different. Everything is different. You can't. I'm obviously a white girl, a white person, and say family gatherings, for instance. I know there's white people that have big family gatherings or whatnot. I'm not. My family's not one of them. Our immediate family, we gather on holidays. Mom, dad, brother, sister, grandkids. It's us. My grandma, I hardly ever see her. My aunts, I hardly ever see them. My cousins,
Like when it comes, you know how black people are with their cousins? And they have a lot of cousins, but they fuck with all their cousins. I love my cousins. I love them to death when I'm around them. We cut up or whatever if I go around them. I don't see them. We don't text each other. We don't call each other. We don't meet up and do stuff together. We don't even talk unless it's been a planned event for something, which is rare, very rare. Black people, they got cousins everywhere. Even if they ain't their real cousins, they gonna call them cousin. They gonna treat them like their cousin. It's just different. Black people are way different than white people. And 10 times out of 10, I'm going with the black people.
Hey, black men, black women, black people, all of you. I have missed you so much. I was on vacation for a few weeks. I was in Italy and Croatia. I'm Croatian. I'm first generation Croatian. My parents came here from Croatia in, I think, 1968. We didn't have hardly any family over here, so most of my family is over there. I visited family over there, and I spent time in Italy with my friends, and I missed you all so much. It was great spending time with my friends and my family, but I really missed my brothers and sisters. And I'll tell you, one thing that I observed was that there's not many black people, at least in Italy and Croatia. It was rare, and every single time I saw somebody, I was like so excited, and I just felt I don't know, a sense of like peace and connection, and but there's not many of you out there. And I've traveled all over the world. I've done a lot of traveling in my life, and I'll tell you, there is no one like black people. You have a certain vibrancy, an energy, exuberance. There's something so special about you that I really, really missed not being around you. Anyway, that's really what I wanted to say. I missed you all so much, and I'm back now. I will be going live more. I'll be making more videos. But for this one, I just wanted to say how much I missed you and how special I think you are. You're just the most special people in the world. Love you so much.
Do you understand what I'm saying? This piece we got right now is ancestral. This is our ancestral right to be at peace. Don't you bring your ass over here. Do you understand what I'm saying? We got Vela over there. Whatever's happening with Vela in the hijabs and the racism that's happening from over there. Yeah, I seen it. Am I giving it any play? Fuck no. Because just like in every other country, there's racism all the way around. We know what that racism is rooted in. It's rooted in self-hate. It has nothing to do with us. Her posting that picture, they ain't got shit to do with us. Honestly and truly, while I do understand that there is some issues going on in that community, and there's a lot of issues going on, what I would like for my black hijabis to understand is that you are the blueprint. The more you give in to the bullshit that they doing, it's like over-explaining yourself. Just, you know where your power is at. Take your money, go somewhere else. Who gives a fuck about the think pieces that's coming from out of it? Take your money, take your attention, and take that black joy that you got. Take it somewhere else. Because I'm explaining to you why. Go look up the trend, I miss black people. Go look it up. Why do you think that that's a trend right now? Now, to the other people outside of that situation, we got 6 different mass shootings happening right now. I was electric sliding and learning the Tamia dance yesterday. I'm sorry to those people that was involved, because I did hear that there was a couple people that perished. However, that's not enough for me to come up out of this piece that I got right now. And, I got to get back to breaking the news that be breaking or whatever the case may be. We have this thing in the black community where we are right now, we're at so much peace that we're just clocking T and moving accordingly. That being said, this is not the time for y'all to, I miss black people after you have consistently failed us.
Throughout history, humans have survived and thrived by depending on one another. Communities grow when people share knowledge, skills, and resources. The relationship between black and white people in America and across the world is complicated, yes, but it also full of lessons about cooperation, empathy, and mutual support. Let's look at history Black and white people have always shaped each other's lives. During early America, enslaved Africans built much of the economic through their labor, knowledge, skills, and innovation that helped grow the country. Black culture influenced music, art, language, and cuisine that white Americans and the rest of the world adopted. White people, in turn, influenced systems, institutions, and technology which affected black communities in both positive and negative ways. Understanding history shows that we have always been connected, whether through shared spaces, work, or culture. Ignoring that connection is ignoring reality. Culture is one of the clearest examples of how black and white people need each other. Jazz, hip-hop, R&B, and soul music are rooted in black communities, but they have influenced global music and inspired people from every background. Literature, visual art, and cinema often involve collaboration across races, bringing new perspectives and ideas. Collaboration amplifies creativity. No culture exists in isolation, and trying to erase that collaborations limits human potential. Social progress depends on solidarity. Civil rights, voting rights, and social reform did not happen in isolation. They happened when people of different races stood together. White allies participated in marches, advocacy, and policy change. Black leaders guided the movement and fought for justice at great personal risks. Together, they created systemic change. Alone, neither group could have accomplished it effectively. Look at local communities. Black-owned and white-owned businesses rely on each other through trade, investment, and partnerships. Schools thrive when families of all backgrounds are involved. Neighborhood projects succeed when volunteers collaborate across race and culture. Innovation in technology, medicine, and science often comes from diverse teams working together. Unity also helps break stereotypes. Spending time with people from other backgrounds helps us challenge assumptions and biases, see each other as individuals, not labels, build empathy and understanding. Black and white people need each other not just for work or culture, but to create stronger, more compassionate communities. Unity does not mean ignoring our differences. It means respecting each other's history, listening to experiences, celebrating diversity while working towards shared goals. Black and white people need each other because we complement each other's strengths and perspectives. That is the real power of collaboration. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Until next time, cheers and have a good one.